They got shirts.
Yeah, that's what we they didn't have shirts against us. They blended in right with the refs. We're ready. We're ready. This camera. I gotta try to grab.
Damn. I swear to God. Shit be funny as hell.
I was telling his ass something wrong.
You know you was there for it. I can't lie.
He's the biggest person. He's like offensive rebound. Exactly, that's all he's doing. He took 55 shots.
You want me on the scoreboard in the front? Whatever you want. It don't matter. You can take the camera if you want. I'm just going back and forth, right? Yep. I usually try to watch the game through there instead of. Otherwise, you catch yourself watching without turning it. So. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, it's hustle. Good job, Damon.
We can't beat 2 people down there, man. We got 5 on the team.
Where's Nick? Nick didn't come? No, he's not here. Good pass, JR. That's what I just said. That's literally what I just said.
I get beat or he get beat, slide up.
Oh, good shot. That's red.
What time that game come on? At 8? At Jazz. Denver.
Good job, James. It worked.
Hey, if you get beat, come up. Pass the middle.
Jimmy Butler's playoff, bro.
Nice pass to White.
That's a good pass. Yep.
5 on 5 today.
Yep.
And they said
That's red.
well, I'm thinking like they got a bench. That's all their team should they got.
I'm not in the gym and I just throw the ball.
I know, man. You did that twice this season.
Good bucket.
Good bucket. That's it, Sean. That's it, baby.
Whoa! Coming your way.
Good shot, boy.
Hey, there it is. Hey, I told you 30, bro.
Nice pass, huh? There you go. Good movement. Good job, JR.
We play now? That's all yours. Y'all said that today.
There it is.
Nice
Oh, good pass.
Jesus.
I know it's gonna be lights out for me. Say I only missed 2 periods.
Well, y'all got hot for a minute. We went cold for a minute. Cut it down to 10. I was like,
Good shot, Josh.
Woo!
This is a little bit of a change of pace from last game.
Every single game we done played so far, I was like, I didn't really have to worry about offense. I just been feeding him.
Good look. I'm gonna keep checking fouls.
I'm about to run my Gatorade, bro.
You're fine, dude. I'm gonna keep checking fouls right here. Got a pen in here somewhere. I think that was a foul on Xavier. It was. That was he made that, right? Yep. I'll get it. I'll get it.
There it is.
We last year, we stayed last.
We back. Go ahead, James.
So JJ don't show up no more. You can, I said, make sure JJ don't show up no more. We have to screen him on the way in.
We heard about you. So JJ gets us all over the door. No JJ.
Red ball. Red ball. I got it. Later. Ball in, ball.
Hey, good bucket, bro. Good take. Good take. Let's go, James. Show me some. There it is. Good boy. So that's why that tape was over there. That's why that tape was on that one.
Yeah.
And he said so. Hey, that's why that tape is over there. I was like, what is that over there for?
That's bad.
Yeah, that's dangerous. Mad dangerous.
That's what.
He didn't even realize he saw it.
Yeah.
He was like, wait, what?
I think he was just trying to be nice, like, you know.
Ah. There it is. Good movement. Shoot that. There it is. Good hit, ball. Let's count.
I know, man. It's tough, dude. I've had 5 all 3 weeks here.
That's tough, bro.
It is tough. Yep, that's a good call. Good call. That's good. That's good. That's a bobble. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Oh, that's on the shot.
Yeah, I think so.
What's going on?
It's a good attack. You got to reward people who attack the bucket in this league because not very many people do it.
Yeah, that's true. But then again, it's a lot of people that hack when you do attack it. So it's like,
Do you get the 2-step or you got to come down off step?
You're supposed to come down off.
That's what I thought.
I mean,
I've
people
been
don't.
seeing a lot of people take the pull hop and 2-step
Oh, I
and
know,
then take the
man.
shot. Damn!
No, hey, that's good. They got that.
Can't keep doing it. They done it 3 times.
a good swing. And he's pulling that.
Done that shit 3 times.
And he's pulling that. And he's pulling that.
That's
Lock him up, James.
There we go.
Good hit,
Good
boy.
shot, JR.
Good hit, boy. Hey, way to come back.
They needed that.
Yeah, bad. Get a stop. Get a stop. Hey.
Shot, Xavier. There you go, Hutch. Oh, man.
Yo. Pull that. He's pulling that. I was about to go home, bro.
I don't think he knew what he was doing.
No foul, no foul.
Hey, I was about to go home.
I don't know how that's not a foul, though. There's a lot of art. There's a lot of his arms are all over the place.
Hey, I thought you came in the camera and said last week was your last week.
Yeah, I know.
He came back, he made it back.
Quit his job for
For GTBA. He's trying to get drafted. He needs the film, bro. He's trying to get drafted.
Oh, TJ, that's fine. You can get that going. Taking a lot of time.
It's supposed to be only 10 seconds, technically.
There we go. We'll let him pull up. He really is not a shooter. Good job, JR. There we go. Good one. Good one.
You want to pull that though, Hutch?
There we go.
Okay.
That's what we need from
Get you a basket. Get you a basketball. Hey, I told you 30. I told you 30. There it is. Oh, good pass.
Oh, good shot.
Oh, good split right there off the body.
Hey!
Keep diving, baby. Keep diving. Keep diving.
It's 5-0 on the fouls, though.
Hey, good take, Hutch. Hey, way to be aggressive, ball.
Like, come on, y'all gotta stop that. I'm getting hit down here. I wish I did get 5 fouls. Second time.
It's 5-0 on the fouls, though.
But
But they're attacking, and they're not attacking. They're shooting a lot of threes. So.
My feet can't even get off the ground right now.
Who do y'all play, Ryan?
I guess we need.
Who y'all play?
I guess we need 4 reps. We should finally get a win.
I was going to say, that better be a dub, dude.
Better be. I'll be pissed. I'm just here to have fun at this point.
I feel that.
It's those games like that you gotta just win. You have to win that.
Yeah. Regardless if you're trying to have fun or
No joke. I just gotta stay loose.
Time out, Red.
I'll just keep the camera right here then. Or?
Yeah, that's fine.
Hey, stay aggressive, Hutch. Stay aggressive, ball. You good?
Hey, you guys are struggling. You guys are only down 5. Yeah, I know. It's a struggle offensively for sure.
And he was talking trash. He was like, "This ain't my team." He was like, "You the biggest on the court, man." You talking about?
Bro, when I said I had 100 more rebounds in this nigga, bro, and you mad at me because I'm not going up.
Bro, you grabbed the ball. It was literally like 6 people, 6, 7 people crowding around
And he
you.
was like, go up.
Yeah. It's like, bro, where? When? Bro, where? He said, where? When, bro?
He's standing at the free throw line, looking at it.
It's literally 7 niggas standing around.
Rebounds back to back.
You was only looking at him.
I don't know, bro. I'm just the cameraman, bro. I'm just the cameraman. I don't know.
Like that.
Hey, good take, boy. Hey, go up. Yes, sir. Oh!
Good job, Dwight. That's good, man.
Orchestrate the O. Orchestrate the O, Hutch.
I miss that shit all the time. It's all good.
The wide open one.
I miss those all.
Bro, them to be the ones that's harder to make.
Yeah. I was too open.
You see him? You see him?
Yeah, that's what I said, bro. Them the hardest to make.
There we go. Oh my goodness.
Everybody be expecting you to make them zones.
Yeah.
Nice little put back earlier. I missed that motherfucker right.
Oh yeah, right.
I was shooting. I'm like, there's nobody on it. Oh, damn.
Short of breath, just snapper.
Did you keep your mask on?
Yeah, I did. I'm still out of shape.
There it is.
Oh my god.
Yeah, every part of the ring except the net.
Man. Oh yeah, I just put. So I'll put sub.
That's how I felt when we played Kings Killers, bro. I was like, bro, y'all can keep the film. Y'all don't have to. Y'all don't have to do nothing on that game. There it is.
If he's hitting, it's a long day. It's gonna be a long day. He has one of the highest 3-point percentages in the league this season. Darian does. Over 50%.
He said I'm going nutty.
He shoots like 2 or 3 games. He's making them though. So.
No, that ain't nothing wrong with that. As long as you make it.
Get in there, Hutch.
Hey, I'm about to grow my hair out, bro.
That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get braids.
I'm about to grow my hair back out.
Can you do that for me?
Just science like that. Pull up again. You feeling it?
Hey, that's why they say people with dreads run faster. Get a bucket, James. There it is. Yes, sir.
Oh, thank you.
I think that's where our advantage comes. Everybody be showing up to our games.
Yep, that's what you need. People to show up. I'm about to get for next week. My brother's gonna start playing for me.
Yeah.
He's not any good, but
What a body just to give someone a quick rest. That goes a long way.
What is the fucking foul? Well, I mean, he's coming back here. We're going to go around the circle. Let him go.
there we go, Sean. Get up there.
Hey.
Good job, Sean. Get it. Good job. Hey, Sean, you're good. Nice shot, Sean.
Nobody's getting red.
Nobody will too.
Right there.
Hey,
Hey, get you one. Get you one.
Nice shot. There we go.
Go ahead, bro.
I did. Oh! That's out.
Bring up the ball.
Okay.
He's killing us here too.
Okay. He said,
That whole team is just playing.
Yeah, the Birds have been playing solid.
Playing good now.
I think we got them next
Good
week.
shot, JR.
I think we got them next
Hey,
week.
good stroke, JR. That's good, man.
Hey, pull that.
Yep, little step back. Oh, man.
Oh, the hezzy.
Great bucket.
Hey, he's going nuts.
Great bucket, Keith.
Hey, get him the rock. Hey, get him the ball. Go crazy, bro. Get you one. Yes, sir.
That's it. That's it. Oh. He's stepping back now. Man.
Yeah, he definitely.
It's so flat, too. It is, I know.
Hey!
Oh, that's good.
He said, I put Buddy in the
50
blender.
seconds, 50 seconds.
He said he was in the blender. Chopped him up. Oh, that's.
There you go, Hutch. You got it, bud. Oh, my goodness.
Shit.
Oh, my goodness.
Dang. That was nasty. Hey, bro, that pass was nasty.
Yeah, it was.
I'm not gonna hold you. You said what?
Xavier.
Someone just spiked one through the floor.
I heard that.
Hey, Xavier.
I hate to be on the receiving end of that.
Timeout. Timeout.
Somebody over there trying to go D1.
Oh my God, who called the timeout? Who the fuck called the
Okay, that's fine. I'll put it.
We knew he was wasting time. We knew he was wasting time. We gonna stop him.
He got pissed. He messed up the whole game.
That's their first time. So each team has one more timeout.
Is that 17 seconds?
Yeah, 17 seconds, yeah. We're on track for this game.
James said, get out of the way of my free throw.
Quick halftime.
No, you straight, bro.
Hit the free throw.
First game, we gonna literally we had nobody in front of us.
We was going nuts. Oh, it's Birds ball? Yeah, we was going nuts, bro.
You got that's 17 seconds. 17 seconds.
Shoot that, bro. Man, he should have shot the first one.
Oh, he missed. 7 seconds. 5.
Hey!
Oh, good.
Hey!
It doesn't stop. It doesn't stop.
That was definitely the right pass.
He said, I threw it up. I'll just go to the middle at halftime.
That's halftime. Yeah, just stop it. Stop it. Red button on front. Oh, right here. I'm sorry. This one right here. Just press that button to stop it. And then press start on the. Yeah, right there. I'm gonna give him the power.
All right. Hey, clock's running. Hey, he told me to start it. Abbott. I already started. Let me know. There you go. Hey, great to score.
Is it a 3?
Great to score.
It's your ball, right?
Hey,
Did they hit a 3?
hey, was that a 3?
I got it.
Great score.
Yeah, you can go shoot.
I appreciate you.
Well, actually, there's no rims down, but.
Never put no wins, yeah.
No. Well, I think 1 week they had, and that was it.
There it is. Good hit, ball.
Yeah, Sean. Hey, Hutch, I'll have your.
Who y'all play, bro?
Well, the schedule's right there.
Play Drama.
Yeah, Drama Boys.
That should be the dub.
depends who shows up for them.
Yeah, that's true too.
Dudes can get hot.
You talking about two?
Little B.
What's his name? Jordan.
Jordan, yep, Jordan. Buddy dropped that 39 first game. He been riding that wave.
Nice shot, Dwight. Good shot, Benny. Oh, good. Yeah, that's all right. That's all right. You're good, Sean.
That's about it though. Like he said, I guess it just depends on who end up showing up. For them.
DJ, hold on, wait a minute. Watch out, fellas. I got two little ones. They're going to try to come under. Stop, boy.
Hey, next dead ball, I got you in for it.
How much do those Powerades cost?
Those drinks? $2.
Sheesh.
I know. A little steep.
Sheesh. They out here taxing.
That's black. That's black.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Stop at the G station.
Oh. I wouldn't have called it. You're good.
You talking about over and back?
Yeah, because you jumped from this side.
Yeah, yep.
Oh, man.
Shit.
That was a clean block.
Good ball.
Oh, man.
Numbers.
I know, man. Every time. Oh, my goodness. There you go, Dwight.
Yeah, absolutely.
I thought he was throwing that shit down. What's he doing? Man.
Bro, I jacked a wide open layup, bro. I was going right to the lane and I
can't shoot layups. I don't know what you're
hit right off the front of the rim.
Green's got jacked up threes all day.
I feel you.
Get in there, JR. Get in there.
Oh, they missing me.
Yeah, they don't have Walden.
Well, you probably realized the gym was a little more chill.
Yeah. Good pass, Josh. There we go.
He's
there
really
we
trying
go.
to get them boys going though.
Good game, guys. Oh, and one.
Good bucket.
Good shot, Dwight. That was skin. Hey, Hutch. Oh, no, he only has one shot. Trying to help you out.
What time do you guys play, Ryan?
We played last night. Yeah, 9 o'clock.
I was gonna say I haven't seen none of your people come in yet.
We always play late.
That's probably because they need you to help.
Yeah, pretty much. No one else wants the late game, so I said I will play late. Because why not? Come on. Get in there, Josh. Yeah. There we go. What are we dropping for? Oh, I saw hands. Yeah, nice shot, man. Oh! Little shoulder action. It's a turnover too. Spade away, right? Yeah.
You called it.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Flutter. Flutter.
Yeah, you called it too.
Yeah, I think he loves those shots.
Yeah, you called that one.
He's a lot like me. He plays a lot like me.
I was gonna say, you've been doing your film, man.
Yeah.
Watching the game.
There you go, Josh. Man.
Good defense. Good defense.
Shot Dwight.
He can't drive with his leg up like that and get that call.
Well, there was a lot of arms from JR. He put his knee into Sean, but JR did smack it too. So. Oh, my bad. I accidentally added one too many. You guys are up one. Good job, Sean. That's all right. Is that eight on the ground? Or? I thought it was on the ground. Yeah. Yeah, he got you back here. Yeah. Keep attacking, Dwight. Keep attacking. Oh, there you go, Darian. Oh, nice, nice.
Good bucket. Good bucket.
Thank you, Gary.
Oh, that's your shot, JR. That's your shot, man.
Good take. Hey, good take. Oh, tech him up. Tech him up. Delay game warning.
Who did what?
Spiked the ball.
They did?
Yeah, Dre did. I didn't see who did it.
Good pass. Nice.
Good shot. Good shot. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I know, dude.
Good hit, boy. Good hit. Hey, this is a game right
You guys
here.
are in it, man. Keep going.
I was gonna say this is a game.
That is. I love these games. Not a lot of complaining, just people playing ball and
Exactly.
knocking shit down.
Yeah, this one's back and forth. He's pulling.
Nah, he's not like that.
You say he don't got that in his bag?
Well, it's not that he can't, it's that he won't. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I told you. He said he's not like that.
I know, and then he does it, yeah. Well, he checked.
Sometimes you gotta get there. You hit a bunch of them, you're like, man, I gotta concede.
That's over. No, he got it. That's over. Half court. Up here, Keith. Ready? Ball in.
Watch the shot.
Oh, he's pulling. Oh. I thought he was. Good pass. I never call that, but man, it happens all the time.
10 seconds?
Yes, all the time. People just walking it up. Man. Get across, man. Yeah, I didn't know Dwight had those ups, man. He just bounces up there.
One of those deceptively athletic people.
Yes, absolutely.
You want dunk? Dunk that! Hey, dunk that, bro.
Hey, you're good, you're good. Hey, you guys are down by more than this. You guys are good.
Slow it down, get you a bucket.
There you go. Oh, nice.
Been all right, man. How about yourself?
Pass it to my team.
Nice
When
job,
they get the
man.
ball, they just look away from me.
Nice job, man.
Yeah, go ahead, man.
I'll bring it back right before it starts.
T-shot.
Trying to keep it chill, man. I'm keeping it chill, man.
I'm on like 11.
10-0.
I'm shit.
You ain't get them when they re-release? They just
I don't get everything I done.
yeah.
Yeah, I get like the ones like, oh shit, I got it.
The Flinties, though.
I'm not playing these stuff.
Huh?
I'm not playing these.
You're not?
I just
What? Bro,
I know.
you better play in the Flints?
got phone calls, just don't chill up.
Good job, Sean.
I feel that.
I'm
Yeah. I feel you.
It's like the retros I want, like them originals.
Yeah.
Don't do that.
Got two over here. Got two over here.
Any off color, I ain't really tripping.
I feel you.
Nice shot.
That's tough.
No, you start, bro. You good, baby? You good?
JR. Up top.
There he is.
Nice shot, JR. Good job, JR.
Hey, good take, boy.
Nice shot, Xavier.
There it is.
Jump. Good ball. Good.
Go at him. Put him on your left hip.
Good shot. Yeah. Good shot, JR. There you go.
Good hit, boy. Good hit, boy.
Whoa, who's this big boy?
Jeez, I don't know.
Hey, who's that big boy? Are they trying to bring in a ringer?
Where did he come from? He said he playing against y'all.
They're probably trying to play for Comic Boy.
Yeah, that's true. Is Dylan playing for you guys today?
Yeah, he's gonna be good. Thank God. I put my name on it. Got too many Rick Gator Power Ranger out here.
Did he call that on the shot? He said on the ground.
It's his fourth foul.
That's tough. That's tough. Too easy. That's too easy, bro.
Turn up. Just leave it. Timeout. Killers is gonna be pissed about that, but
What happened?
because that big old boy's playing. I need to write that good name down.
The Drama Boys?
Yeah. Drama Boys, Ori, Crawford. Red ball. I forgot T. Woods was even ref. Now you getting
What's the dude in the silver shoes name?
Who?
The dude in the silver shoes. On Drama Boys.
In the black shirt? That's a Jordan Helm.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So they got 2 Jordans.
Yeah, 2 Jordans. They're both pretty good shooters.
Hey, he called the walk.
Thomas Clark, he calls those a lot. You take off before you dribble.
Y'all about to get you a dub this week, bro?
I hope so.
He said, I hope so.
Nice shot, Hutch.
Go crazy, bro. That's what I'm saying. Stay aggressive, bro. Play your game.
Oh, wait, yeah, baby. Good shot. Good shot, Keith. You can't play this year. No, they're on.
Yeah, that's
The red team
Hutch's team. Yeah.
They're missing
Yeah.
Yeah, it's weird not seeing Nick out there.
All by yourself. Go crazy. That's a
Oh, and one, yeah. I don't even know who that is.
Oh, they bringing in
I'll say I don't know who that is right there.
the whole battalion.
No joke, dude. Yo, 5-point game.
Bro, it'd be so funny when people be trying to bring in subs and the subs are just like terrible.
We got Stewart. I don't know who this kid in the red is. Just walked in. So he's not playing for you, is he?
He looked like he about to shoot up for y'all.
Yeah, 20.
He looked like he about to shoot up for y'all.
Up top. Yeah. Oh yeah, for sure. We'll aim for Keon, you know, everybody. You guys lost a bunch of people, so.
Hey, I got screens.
It was!
You know how long I've been trying to get them to notice that post up on him?
Yeah, I know.
I've been trying to get them to notice that shit for like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
They either gotta help on me, he too little. I ain't no post man, but he too little.
And we need a little push right here, Hutch. 2-minute drill.
2 minutes.
2-minute drill. He said he's a mouse. No sir, not at all. Kasky.
Ooh, that would've been nice. And one! Damn, 32. Hey, there's a lot of body on that one, I'm just saying. I can literally do a shot clock here.
How much you put on that?
Just 30 seconds.
Does it show up on the front too?
No, it doesn't. That's a good point. I'll try to. It'll at least help me keep track.
Hey, we gotta make these, James.
Did he miss that one?
We gotta make these.
Actually, he wants to miss it. So look at those big guys up front. Get that board. Put it up. Oh, bad bounce though. Shit. Oh, shit. Missed the back, missed the rim.
This one's not looking favorable.
25. Oh, shoot that. Oh, he's smart. And one.
Good bucket. I got caught looking at the game.
Yeah, that's right. Good bucket by Hunt. Unassisted.
I might have caught the bucket. I think I got the bucket.
You got 20 seconds. 20 seconds.
20 on the shot clock.
15.
There it is. Swing that.
Who's the foul on? Was that on you? Who was it on? Hey, get back. Was that on 20? Yeah. Let's put on 20. Good D. Got a minute. Oh, he's needing to pull.
And we need a bucket.
20 seconds. Nice job. I try to stop it at the last minute, like to between buckets.
Foul. Fouling.
That's fine. Oh. There you go. See?
There it is.
Get in there.
We need that. Oh. Hey, you have to foul him, bro.
Yeah, good foul. 2 shots. 2 shots. Hey, go, line up. Good game.
There's no way, bro.
Man, they would have won Nick Wallace here.
Hey, we needed that
absolutely.
shot. Yeah, absolutely, bro.
Nick Wallace would have got that rebound.
24.
You said
Yeah.
we won?
I said Nick Wallace.
I thought I heard that we won one.
He said Quiet Storm would have got the dub. Nick Walden plays. Hey, what you got to say, man? Call out Nick.
Bad game today, man. Nick decided not to show up today because he knew what was about to happen.
Hey, Nick, you see that, Nick? You hear that, Nick?
Nick, I gave him 30 for you.
He got 30 from TJ. Every fucking foul. You gonna see it?
I got 30 the whole game.
Bro, y'all be talking about them 30 balls with L's, bro.
Nice shot.
Y'all be talking about them 30 balls with L's, bro. I'd rather have 10 in the dub. I'm not gonna hold you.
I mean, I've seen bigger collapses.
Than this? That would be it. You seen somebody fold after on this? He said he's seen bigger collapses than this before. That'd be bad, bro.
Yeah, well, especially after made free throw.
That'd be bad.
Nick Walden would have brought him back.
Yeah, he would have.
Hey, you hear him, nigga? He was rapping in the camera.
JR is
4, 3, 2, 1.